Do you feel like your resume is getting completely ignored? Here's why. Your resume objective is telling recruiters nothing useful. So let me show you what to write instead so hiring managers actually want to call you. This one small thing on your resume may be costing you interviews and you don't even realize it. That outdated resume objective, recruiters don't care. So what should you write instead? Let me show you how to fix it. First, what is a resume objective? If your resume starts with a generic objective, the problem is that it's all about you. A resume objective is a short statement at the top of your resume outlining your career goals. But the problem is it focuses on you and not on the value that you bring. And I think you're way too valuable to be lost in an objective like that. And the problem is that it focuses on what you want instead of the value that you bring to the company. If your resume objective sounds a little like this, then it's a bad objective. Seeking a challenging role where I can utilize my skills and grow professionally. What does that tell the recruiter or the hiring manager of what you bring to the table? And if recruiters are only spending 6 to 7 seconds scanning your resume, they do not care about your hopes and dreams. They are looking for value. And it's not to say that no one should use a resume objective. There are 2 special cases, and these are the only exceptions where I think a resume objective makes sense. The first one is for the career pivoter. If you are pivoting careers and industries, it does make sense to let the hiring managers know that. And that could read something like this: former educator, transitioning to instructional design, leveraging expertise in curriculum development, and UX learning strategies. Or if you're a recent grad, marketing graduate with internship experience in social media strategy, looking to build a career in content marketing. So for career pivoters and recent grads, an objective does help explain why you're pivoting and how your skills align. But for everybody else, it is a total waste of space. So if you're not a career pivoter or recent grad, what should you put at the top of your resume instead? Now this is a game changer. Instead of an objective statement, you need a resume summary, because recruiters care about impact, not aspirations. So what's a resume summary? A resume summary is a 2 to 3 sentence statement that highlights your skills, experience, and impact, and ideally is tailored to the job. So an example of a strong resume summary looks something like this: experienced social media professional with 5+ years of expertise, skilled in social media strategy, content development, and data-driven insights. Proven track record of achieving a 50% increase in audience engagement within 6 months. Expert in leveraging trending topics and user feedback to drive community engagement. Now, if you want to create a strong resume summary like this but don't know where to start, I actually created this just now using Teal's AI resume builder, and it uses your resume to create a strong resume summary based on what's important for hiring managers and recruiters. A summary like this tells hiring managers why they should call you, and call you right now. And this is the perfect resume summary template. Your job title with X years of experience, specializing in key skill number 1, key skill number 2, and key skill number 3. Proven track record of achievement or impact. And don't worry if you haven't got this yet. If you're still struggling with the resume summary, Teal will create a resume summary for you for free using our AI tool. And that's it. Now you've created a resume summary that's going to get you interviews. So to recap, we are going to ditch that outdated resume objective, and instead we're going to use a strong resume summary that highlights your skills and values in seconds. Comment below if you still have a resume objective, because I will help you rewrite it. And make sure you check the description for our resume checklist and AI tools to optimize your resume for free. See you in our next video.